What if the answer to your aching legs, swollen knees, and painful joints was hiding in your kitchen right now? No doctors, no prescriptions, just 5 simple dry fruits that work like natural medicine for your legs. Today, I'm Dr. Emily Carter, and I'm revealing the top 5 dry fruits that strengthen bones, reduce leg inflammation, and improve circulation below the waist. Number 3 shocked me when I learned how powerfully it supports leg veins and joint health. Leg problems after 60 come from inflammation, poor circulation, and weakening bones. That stiffness in your knees, the swelling in your ankles, and the cramping in your calves with painful joints are all connected. Pain medications only mask symptoms, but these 5 dry fruits actually repair and strengthen your legs from the inside. Each one is affordable, easy to find, and backed by real science. Let's start with something sweet that fights the inflammation causing your leg joint pain. Dates may look simple, but they're powerful for leg health and joint relief. They contain polyphenols, which are natural plant compounds that lower inflammation throughout your body, especially in your legs, where fluid tends to collect as we age. This inflammation is what makes your knee joints feel stiff and your leg joints ache with every step. When Harvard School of Public Health studied these compounds, they found they work on the same pain pathways as ibuprofen, without the side effects. 1 cup of chopped dates gives you 54 milligrams of magnesium, which relaxes leg muscles and stops those painful nighttime cramps many seniors experience. Magnesium also supports nerve function, which may reduce the sharp shooting type of pain that many people feel in their leg joints during movement. The best way to eat them is 2 to 3 medjool dates each morning. Medjool dates are larger and richer in antioxidants. Eat them early in the day, not at night, because the natural sugars can disrupt sleep, and good sleep is critical for leg and joint recovery. Your body repairs damaged joint tissue during sleep, so protecting your rest is just as important as what you eat. When buying dates, choose pitted medjool dates without added syrups. They should look plump and slightly shiny. Store them in the refrigerator to keep them fresh. A simple way to enjoy them is to blend 1 cup of dates with half a cup of walnuts and a pinch of cinnamon. Then roll into small balls for an easy snack that reduces leg inflammation and soothes joint pain. Here's something important to remember. Dates are calorie-dense, so too many can cause weight gain, which puts more pressure on your knees and ankles and makes joint pain worse. Seniors with diabetes should limit to 1 or 2 small dates daily to avoid blood sugar spikes. The key is consistency and moderation, not excess. From something sweet, we move to something that delivers omega-3s straight to your leg joints and muscles. Walnuts are one of the most powerful foods for seniors dealing with leg joint pain. They're rich in alpha-linolenic acid, a plant-based omega-3 that reduces inflammation in your knees, ankles, and hips. Inflammation is the key reason behind swelling and stiffness in leg joints, and omega-3 fatty acids are known to reduce the chemicals that keep this process active. A 1/4 cup of walnuts provides 2.5 grams of omega-3 fatty acids, similar to fish oil supplements. Walnuts also contain ellagic acid, which protects the cartilage in your knee joints from breaking down. Think of cartilage as the cushion between your bones. Without it, every step hurts because bone grinds against bone. Protecting this cartilage is critical for long-term leg joint health. Researchers at UC Davis found that eating walnuts reduced key inflammation markers in the body. Less inflammation means less leg swelling, less joint pain, better mobility, and easier movement. The ideal serving is 7 whole walnuts daily, about a small handful. Sprinkle chopped walnuts over oatmeal. Add to salads or blend into smoothies. They pair especially well with spinach because the vitamin K in greens works with omega-3s to strengthen bones and joints in your legs. When buying walnuts, choose unsalted, unflavored walnut halves. Salted varieties add sodium, which makes leg swelling and joint inflammation worse. Store walnuts in the refrigerator or freezer to prevent the oils from going rancid. If they taste bitter, they've gone bad and lost their health benefits. Have you ever noticed that bitter taste in older walnuts? That bitterness is a sign the oils have spoiled, which means the joint healing benefits are completely lost. Here's what to avoid. Don't eat salted or flavored walnuts because they worsen leg swelling and joint pain. Keep portions moderate to avoid weight gain that stresses your knees and ankles. Extra body weight puts more pressure on already painful leg joints, making every movement more difficult. Before we continue, let me know in the comments what leg issue troubles you most. Is it knee joint pain, ankle swelling, or leg cramps? And if you're finding this helpful, subscribe to Dr. Emily Carter and hit the notification bell. Our next dry fruit is tiny but incredibly potent for bone strength and leg joint stability. Prunes are known for digestion, but they're exceptional for leg health and joint protection. These dried plums contain phenolic compounds that directly target inflammation in your lower body, especially in the joints that bear your weight all day long. They also provide vitamin K, and 1 cup delivers 87 micrograms, which is crucial for bone density in your hips and legs. Stronger bones mean your leg joints can support your weight better without grinding or deteriorating. Oklahoma State University found that women who ate prunes regularly showed significant bone health improvements. This matters because joint pain often goes hand in hand with weak bones. Protecting your bones is as vital as reducing inflammation if you want long-term relief from leg joint pain. Here's something most people miss. Prunes contain fiber that supports gut health, which lowers inflammation throughout your entire body, including your leg joints. The gut and the immune system are closely linked, so when your gut is healthy, your body sends out fewer inflammatory signals. This means less pressure on your joints and potentially less pain day after day. Have you noticed that your joint pain tends to flare up when your digestion is off balance? Many people don't connect these two issues, yet they're strongly tied together. The right amount is 3 to 4 prunes daily, preferably before lunch. This timing gives you steady energy and lets the fiber work gradually through your system. Avoid eating prunes at night because they have a mild laxative effect that can disturb sleep, and sleep is when your body repairs damaged joint tissue. When buying, look for unsulfured prunes without preservatives. Sulfur dioxide can irritate sensitive stomachs. Quality prunes should feel soft and slightly sticky, not dry or hard. A simple way to enjoy them is to blend 4 prunes with 1 cup of almond milk, half a frozen banana, and a small amount of cinnamon. This smoothie provides potassium, calcium, and antioxidants that support both bones and leg joints. Don't overeat prunes because too many can cause digestive upset. Stick to the recommended amount for consistent joint pain relief. Next is a sweet antioxidant powerhouse that works on the exact same pathway as common painkillers for your leg joints. Dried cherries are one of the most powerful natural foods for leg joint pain. They contain anthocyanins, compounds that work on the same COX-2 enzyme pathway that ibuprofen targets. This pathway is heavily involved in producing inflammation in the body, especially in weight-bearing joints like your knees and ankles. When anthocyanins reduce the activity of this enzyme, leg joints feel less stiff, pain signals are lowered, and long-term damage to cartilage can be slowed. 1 cup of dried cherries delivers around 4,000 ORAC antioxidant units, which neutralize free radicals that damage leg tissues and joint cartilage. Michigan State University research showed that cherries reduce muscle soreness and swelling, perfect for seniors experiencing leg joint pain from daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even just standing for a few minutes. The right serving is 1/4 cup of unsweetened dried cherries per day. Mix them into Greek yogurt for a creamy snack, or add to homemade trail mix with nuts. This combination slows sugar absorption, which is important for maintaining stable energy and reducing inflammation in your leg joints. You can also pair them with the walnuts we talked about earlier for a double anti-inflammatory effect. When buying dried cherries, choose unsweetened varieties only. Many brands add sugar or glaze them, which cancels out the benefits and may actually increase joint inflammation. Avoid versions with sulfur dioxide preservatives because these chemicals can trigger breathing issues in sensitive individuals. Quality dried cherries should look plump and chewy, not sticky or coated in sugar crystals. Here's a simple recipe you can make at home. Combine oats, dried cherries, almond butter, and ground flax seed to make cherry oat bars. The oats provide stable energy, almond butter adds vitamin E for joint health, and flax seeds deliver plant-based omega-3s that enhance the anti-inflammatory effect of the cherries. The result is a portable snack that supports leg joint comfort throughout the day. Important warnings to remember. Don't choose cherry juice concentrate instead of whole dried cherries because juice has more sugar and less fiber, causing blood sugar spikes without the joint benefits. Don't overeat dried cherries, as too many can upset your stomach due to their natural sugar content. Moderation is the key to using them for leg joint relief while keeping digestion comfortable. Our final dry fruit may surprise you because it's packed with calcium and a trace mineral that strengthens leg bones and prevents the fractures that make joint pain even worse. Dried figs are among the most nutrient-dense foods for seniors with leg joint problems. 1 cup provides 241 milliliters of calcium, more than many vegetables and some dairy servings. Calcium strengthens the bones in your legs and hips, and it also protects the cartilage that cushions your knee joints. Weak bones and worn cartilage often go hand in hand with arthritis and chronic leg joint pain, so maintaining this mineral daily can make a real difference. Figs also contain boron, a trace mineral that helps your body absorb calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D. All 3 of these nutrients are essential for bone density and muscle strength in your legs. Without boron, your body can't use these nutrients effectively, leaving your leg bones and joints more vulnerable. Have you ever wondered why some people take supplements but still don't see results in their joint pain? Often it's not about how much you take, but how well your body absorbs it, and that's where boron makes all the difference. Figs are also rich in polyphenols, powerful plant compounds that protect cartilage cells from breaking down. This means smoother movement and less grinding in your knee joints. Stronger cartilage means you can walk, bend, and move without that painful bone-on-bone sensation that so many seniors experience. The best way to eat figs for leg joint health is 2 to 3 dried figs daily. They pair perfectly with walnuts because walnuts bring omega-3s that fight inflammation, while figs bring minerals that protect bones and joints. This combination addresses 2 aspects of leg health at once, which is why many nutritionists recommend pairing them together for maximum joint relief. When buying dried figs, choose organic varieties without added syrups or sugars. Added sugars increase inflammation and work against your joint health goals. Quality figs should look slightly soft and chewy, not dry or hardened. If you see heavy crystallized sugar on the outside, it usually means lower quality or improper storage. A simple way to enjoy them is to slice a dried fig in half and fill it with a spoonful of almond butter. This snack provides protein, healthy fats, and joint-friendly antioxidants. Almond butter adds vitamin E, which supports connective tissues and reduces leg joint stiffness. Like every food, figs come with cautions. Don't eat too many because excess fiber causes bloating or gas. Seniors with diabetes should monitor portions carefully, as the natural sugar can raise blood sugar levels. 2 to 3 pieces are enough, and consistency matters more than large portions at once. Would you be open to adding just 2 figs daily if it could improve your leg mobility and reduce joint pain over time? Small steps like this are often more sustainable than major changes. Here's one more technique that works hand in hand with these dry fruits, and that's gentle evening leg stretches. Leg joint pain intensifies at night because joints stiffen after rest, and fluid collects around ankles and knees, creating more swelling and discomfort. Light stretching before bed improves circulation, bringing fresh blood and nutrients to leg tissues and joints. Johns Hopkins Arthritis Center confirms that consistent stretching improves mobility and reduces how intensely the brain perceives joint pain. A simple routine of 10 to 15 minutes before bed is enough to make a noticeable difference. Focus on movements like slow knee circles to keep fluid moving in your knee joints, ankle rolls to prevent morning stiffness, and gentle hamstring stretches using a towel to prevent lower back tightening. You can also do calf stretches to reduce nighttime cramping that many seniors experience. These movements aren't about pushing flexibility to extremes, but about keeping tissues supple and circulation flowing to your leg joints. The key is avoiding mistakes that can make stretching harmful rather than helpful. Don't do intense yoga poses or strong stretches late at night because they can strain muscles and stress joints, which only adds to discomfort. Skipping consistency is another mistake since the benefits for joint pain build up slowly and only stay when done daily. Just like eating nourishing foods, stretching for leg joint relief works best when it becomes part of your everyday rhythm. Let's recap your natural leg joint health plan. Start with dates, eating 2 to 3 daily for anti-inflammatory polyphenols that calm joint swelling. Add walnuts, about 7 halves daily, for omega-3s that protect cartilage and reduce joint inflammation. Include prunes, 3 to 4 daily, for bone strength that supports your leg joints. Enjoy dried cherries, 1/4 cup daily, to fight pain naturally through the same pathway as ibuprofen. Don't forget dried figs, 2 to 3 daily, for calcium and boron that strengthen leg bones and protect joint cartilage. And as a bonus, practice gentle evening leg stretches for flexibility and pain-free mornings. If this video helped you, subscribe to Dr. Emily Carter for more senior health tips after 60. And if you found something useful for your leg joint pain, type the word relief in the comments. I'd love to know this helped you. Remember, small, consistent steps create lasting change. Your legs carried you this far, so let's keep them strong and pain-free for years to come.